Alright, today we're going to do 5 ways to do the C chord. Okay, I'll make it real simple, straightforward. Here's the first position like this. Okay, then we're going to give you a second one is here. And if you want to do it all the way, get that G note in there. I often do it like this. You can hear that a lot of times in rock and roll. Then there's this one. And then there's a straight bar chord. And then there's this one here. You can do it like that. So here's what they sound like in context. That one's hard on acoustic. So let me take those slowly. The first one you probably are familiar with by now. Looks like that. Okay, you got your basic C chord. The next one you still start out with the same note and you bar your D, G, and B string like this. That one takes a little bit of strength. And then the next one you do the same bar, you move your pinky up here and hit your B and your E string. Looks like that. Then the next one is a straight ahead, what we call a bar chord. It's a C, like that. And then if you go all the way up, you hit like a D position. It's a little bit difficult on an acoustic, but it's way up high. So you can end up playing just those 3 notes in a D position. Like that. It's like a D chord except all the way up on your octave E. It's like that. So here's what it sounds like strumming it. So there's 5 easy pieces, 5 ways to play the C chord. I'm Jimmy Dillon. I'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.